Cool.
The title we made for today's live stream is Llama 3. Oh, Llama 3. Llama 3, yes. Today, we're going to upgrade, first and foremost, upgrade everything to Llama 3 because everyone is doing it. And if you don't, you're an idiot. Now, let me open up our project. Oh, yeah, joining me now is Emily.
Hello.
So we're gonna go straight to Llama 3 and start upgrading. I feel embarrassed that we have yet figured out how to exactly do proper prompting, consistent prompting for Llama 3. And any project in general, like really. So let me quickly check the updates. We've been using 𝗟𝗏𝗻, which is sort of like super easy to use, but it's nowhere meant for production, and it's not very serious by far. So we have been sort of not really dependent. Like we just feel so comfortable using it that we forgot how to use anything else, including writing bike and all that. So yeah, we're just gonna keep using 𝗟𝗏𝗻. The problem with 𝗟𝗏𝗻 is that it provides something called JSON mode, but then if you try to enable JSON mode with Llama 3, you get some sort of infinite like token stream error. It's not exactly error, but it's just like it just keeps generating empty tokens until it kind of dies. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to basically. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, Google. We're gonna basically try to number one this eight. Okay, first of all, if you run into any problem, I would go to GitHub and check if anybody else is complaining about the exact same problem. As you can see, among the 735 open issues, wow, that's a lot of issues. That's a lot of open issues. I think there are even more closed issues. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna search JSON Llama 3 and see anyone else is complaining about it. Nope. Command R fails when using format.json. This looks similar. So this guy, what's the problem he has? If it sets format to JSON, Command R is failing when put into JSON format. It seems to work otherwise, and nobody's replying. Okay. Anyways, JSON mode was kind of working before, but it kind of stopped working. Okay. So that's sort of the problem here. So what we're gonna do is, wait, hold on, come on. How come our live titles is not there anymore? Give me a second. There you go. So what we're gonna do is just not use JSON mode for now, but then I figure out a way for multi-shot prompting that kind of works consistently, like in other cases. So I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna show some yet to release code. Like this is from some of our internal code base. Just take a peek at like how we're using it, and we're able to generate things like consistently without like getting into issues, like generate JSON structure format consistently. This is by no means the best way, but this is one way that we tried and kind of has been working consistently. We have not yet had any errors when using it. So I'm gonna go into our live titles project. I don't mind showing you this because I think live titles eventually will be open source when it's ready. So this is just some kind of internal working progress that we have not yet open sourced so as not to embarrass ourselves. But here you go. I'm going to show you one prompt how we constructed this. Basically, it's a few shot. Okay, it doesn't have that kind of instruct like the slash like bracket instruct and all that. We just got rid of that. It's just a very streamlined list of the past messages, starting with system message, which is like the base instruction, and then you have user, then you have assistant. This is the few shot example part, and then user gives another example. The machine responds with another example. All the response, the example response for the machine are in JSON format, and we just hope that in the end, the last time the user outputs the actual things that we want the machine to work on, it's going to consistently output another JSON. It works. For this simple case, like if you just wanted to output something very, very simple, such as a JSON object with one field called title, it works. We're not sure if it's still going to work for our case, but we're just going to reformat this into this format. Okay. While I was talking about it, I kind of realized that maybe Emily, we could do a little bit division of labor.
Okay.
Maybe I could work on one prompt or actually, should we just keep working on one prompt, and if it works, we move on to the next? I think it's safer that way.
Probably. Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do one thing at a time. We're gonna pick one prompt. I think I'm just gonna search for bracket INST. We got a whole bunch of these here. And then I think the most important one for us is the one that's generating characters, get character messages, which is, I think, is this one.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and reformat this into the format we just saw. Okay. Any comments before I move on?
Just making sure, is this the latest version
Of what?
of this repo here?
I think so, because today I was working with 𝗏𝗲 for
Okay.
that front end stream observable, and then
Let's see.
I think it's fairly new.
Okay, let me just double
Why?
check because I thought we renamed Gen message prompt to something else.
Oh wait, were we working in the branch?
I don't think so. Oh, never mind. So Gen message prompt, that function is still there, but what we're actually using is the Gen action prompt.
Oh, okay. Gen action prompt, like this.
Yep.
So everything's there. So okay, that's our goal for today. We do have two goals. The other goal is we gotta sort of match what we have, what is being output, as
Okay.
closely as possible to what 𝗏𝗲, our intern, worked on the front
Okay.
end. But let me just quickly try to refactor this. Can I do this with like cloud or something? Yeah. Yeah. Actually, maybe let me try it with try to do. No, never mind. Let's just do this manually. Okay.
Yeah.
So this outputs a string. Okay, and then it feeds everything into let me check. Where's the part that actually feeds into the LLM? Oh,
You
this
mean
one doesn't. Oh, this is just generates a gigantic prompt, isn't it?
yeah.
So we're gonna. Okay, let me quickly check how this is being used. Actually, how the function is being called. I don't think this is being used anywhere. Oh no, actually yes, it's being used here. Gen action prompt as.
I actually don't know why there's an S here. Yeah.
Okay. Gen action prompt, general response, 𝗟𝗏𝗲. I think this is being used in a bunch of places. Yes. I think for anything that uses this function needs to change, which is a lot. Yeah, we do definitely need to do some division of labor later. But for now, I don't want to create two functions. But for now, looks like we don't have a lot of choice. I just want to play safe. Gen by messages, and then here I believe 𝗟𝗏𝗲 has something called a message. Yes, like that. And then I'm gonna like even for this, I'm gonna I think I can just change that to messages and it's gonna just work.
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, I'm gonna temporarily create two functions, but I don't want to leave them here. And in here, combo model. And I'm gonna change this to llama 3 instruct. Honestly I don't know the difference, but I think I was using llama 3 instruct. Let me. Yeah, I was using llama 3 instruct. It was working, so as you can follow exactly. If you ask me why llama 3 instruct instead of llama 3, I have no idea. This is like the worst live stream ever. Okay, anyway. Anyway, temperature set to 1.2, number prediction 1000. Oh, actually, maybe that's the reason. I was forcing it to output like 1000 predictions.
Oh.
Could that be the reason? Let me quickly check. If I remove number of predictions from 1000, I think I remember like trying this. And then just change convo model to convo model llama 3. Wrong. Wrong TS. Oh. Yeah, I think I should show you guys what the problem is first. The problem I had was like it just keeps generating infinite. Wait, what's the problem here?
This is new.
Okay, we got a schema error. Goodness. Why you got a schema error? Because no.
Did you say something like we'll have to start local cloud dashboard for a bit.
Yeah, but I think I fixed that. This is the latest. I was checking. I upgraded everything to latest.
So
So
you are showing .env here. Is it okay? I am seeing Redis password.
yeah, it's not okay, but it's my local Redis password, so it's fine.
Okay.
Oh wait, why is there an error? Maybe it's a legit.
Props. Oh, okay. So Vicente is missing a bunch of things that 𝗙𝗏 added.
All right, so what do we miss? I forgot.
It was something like moving, rolling.
Oh wait, hold on. Were we testing this in another test?
We were testing using test prompt, I think. So essentially, we're only testing one thing at a time, not a different test.
Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, other parts were broken. Now I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, test prompts is not a wrong. Wait, what's going on? Test prompt is not running. Why is that?
Could it be the same issue?
No, there's no script to run. The whole file just defines a prompt and exits.
Oh, you'll have to do the prompt.test.ts.
Oh, that's what's it called? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. All right, this is llama 3. Instruct. So far so good. Maybe our path to llama 3 wouldn't be. Yep, that's the issue. Do you see that? It just keeps generating.
Right.
And then we got did not restart or success in response until we figure out why. As was said last time, as was just said, we're just gonna try the other approach. Okay, conversational plus instruct plus a whole bunch of things. All right. So I'm gonna change this back to starting because we don't want to change the part that is already working. Convo model equals starting. Right. Now, we're just gonna fix this problem.test. Okay, I think that's probably a good idea. Generate response lab and messages, and then we're gonna reformat this into messages. Okay, just one thing at a time. This is gonna be a bunch of messages. The first message is the system message. Row system. Content. Just gonna cut and paste stuff from here. I think it just starts from here and ends in here. You are a helpful assistant, and here are some instructions. Okay, that's the system message. Done. Now, the second message, what I did is I started to write a user message, which gives the first example. So the user start typing all of these. subject allowed action, etc. Subject next actions, and then we expect the machine to output exactly just the JSON. Role equals to assistant. Now we emulate how the assistant, aka the machine, how the machine would respond.
Nice.
The machine always knows. Okay, now move on to example 2. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here it is. Role user, sort of intelligently auto-completed. All right, and then the closing bracket. And get rid of unnecessary indentations and so on. I think even if we don't do this indentation removal, the machine should be smart enough to tolerate that. A lot of things we do in life might not just be necessary, just be like total waste of food energy. Okay, content. Okay, example 2, response to, and then do we have another example? Oh, this is actually the final thing that wait, is that another example? Oh no, that's not an example. This, the final one, is the actual thing that we want the machine to output, to give results for. All right, so we're gonna have another role user. And here is what we expect. Here it is. Here is the prompt. I'm gonna run like 3 times and see if it actually works. Okay. So now this prompt we can get rid of. You know what? Like, I put Llama 3 on the title and we got like 2 clicks.
Oh, nice.
Okay. No. Oh, sorry. I forgot to disable the JSON mode. Okay. Did I not disable the JSON mode? Maybe I did. I don't remember. Let me try. Let me check. Generate response 𝗟𝗏𝗲. Yeah. Just gonna get rid of the JSON mode in here. And try again. After getting rid of JSON mode, oh no, yeah, look at that. Nice. Gonna use a JSON validator to where does this come from? Oh, this is part of the code. Okay.
Yep.
Just gonna use a JSON validator to validate them JSON. Okay. Free sweet JSON validator. JSON valid. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay. It works. Who needs JSON mode?
Nice.
Yeah, this is what's been working for me consistently. Okay. It works. Let's see what it generates. Okay, subject Jeremy reflection. I think I know where to start. The cave. Well, it's kind of reasoning. The cave is key to unlocking the secret of the 𝗟𝗏𝗃 species. Intent. I want to examine the cave further and see if I can find any clues or evidence. And all right, guys, let's get to work here. Morgan, can you please keep an eye out for the unusual reading or anomalies while I examine the cave? Do we actually need a reason anymore?
If it doesn't try to generate the additional reasoning, then we don't need it.
Yeah, I agree. Let's try.
Yeah, that was a limitation with the model, I think. Or the way we use the model.
Yeah. Oh, we got two-shot learning, so it actually works really well. Okay, let me try again. Yeah, I think it works without a reason. Without the reason field, it still works.
Cool.
So now let's do a little bit of divisional labor, shall we? So we kind of, let's see how we just kind of keep working on this. What do you suggest?
So if it's already working, I think I was taking a quick look at the code. I think it's easy to just maintain one kind of function for all the existing usage of that function. We can convert the prompt from string to a message object. So that should just work. I guess the question would be JSON mode versus non-JSON mode, but that could be an argument as well.
Okay. For now, it works. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I this is what I realized. Like, if I was running it in JSON mode,
Mhm.
it was actually pretty slow. I think
Oh,
due
okay.
to probably trying to pick the top end or whatever, however the algorithm works, it tries to pick the top end, maybe do a little bit beam search here and there. I don't exactly know how JSON mode works.
I see.
But it's not working very well.
Okay. That's all right. So I suppose we do need to integrate whatever front-end stuff we have so far. Maybe we'll have to fix the vicinity schema.
Okay. Let's do a kind of blitz on. How about we just do a blitz on the converting what you said, string as input to message as input globally.
Yeah. So when we say we do that, we're not thinking about replacing few shot example format, right? We're just okay.
Content pretty much stays as is. We get rid of the instruction mode, like the S/S and all that.
Okay.
Right now, it's just not necessary because it's been working for 3 cases for us now. I kind of expect it to work, continue to work. What I'm
Yeah,
gonna
sure.
do, is I'm gonna comment this out, and I'm gonna comment that out, and we're gonna end up with a whole bunch of errors.
Yeah. Although you might want to copy over line, if you scroll down a bit, prompt how it's structuring. Go up a bit. Here, line 18 to 21. So essentially, you'll have to change your prompt into this.
I think a better example would be just look at this.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Well, again, starts always with the first message, then followed by user message as the first example. And by the way, the one little detail here is my prompt always ends with this.
Subject
Sort of
next action.
expecting it to output. I don't know why, or I don't know if it works, but this is working. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So now let's see here. Whole bunch of places. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of. We're just gonna follow all these occurrences. Character. There are things that probably are not quite needed. Generate message prompt. Are we still using that?
We can remove that.
Are you sure? Because I don't remember. Okay, and we're just gonna aggressively remove this. How about you do you do character and I do supervisor and summary.
Character, supervisor, summary. Okay.
All right. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing summary while entertaining our non-existent stream viewer.
Can you push whatever you have so far?
I think. Oh, right. Okay. Pushing broken code to main. Yes. That is the way.
By the way, we're no longer using feature prompt branch anymore, right?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I hope we merged everything into main.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, gonna just do the same boring stuff. Gonna do this. It's year 2024 and AI is still not writing my code. So we're gonna okay, let me see here how I can change this. So okay, the giant prompt is here. Just gonna
Wait, just quickly, which branch are you on?
Main.
Okay.
Our live title summarize my latest comment as AI writing code humor. Goodness. We need some kind of sarcastic comeback bot. We need that, I think. It's for your longevity and everything. Gonna do the same thing. Defensive coding / a whole bunch of good, bad, ugly practices. Just keep removing the prompt until it becomes empty. While I am at it, summarization was kind of broken. Maybe there's a chance to sort of fix that. Role system, content, summarize the previous summary. Wait, the summarization doesn't even have few shots. One shot example. Just gonna make something up, okay? Summary of past conversations.
By the way, we do have some new changes in feature prompt that's not in main yet.
Oh no.
But that's okay. Just before, I think all the files you just changed should not have conflict. What we can do is quickly merging feature prompt right now, and we should be okay.
Okay, so what do we do again?
So there is a branch called feature prompt. That's the thing we were working on last time.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just commit this and say WIP,
Okay.
and then it's so horrible. Like you have code that says WIP on the main branch. Okay, and then what? I'm gonna fetch merge which branch?
Feature/prompt.
Wow, lots of conflicts.
Ish. Oh, okay.
Oh, we don't need generate. Did you change anything substantial in gen message
No,
prompt?
this is no longer used, so feel free to just remove it.
Gen prompt utils. Gen action prompt. Generate response 𝗟𝗏𝗲. Okay. Summary. Having issues. Accept both changes, and yeah, I'll be dealing with that. Okay, we merge.
Cool.
And our live title just crashed.
Is it because of your internet connection? I think
Yeah,
you
I think
were.
so. I think GRP, like we're using gRPC right now. gRPC is not very reliable in general.
I see.
I've been thinking about like how to deal with this. Or at least gRPC should not give up that easily. Like, wait, what's going on? Now, okay, when my stuff crashed,
Yeah.
I run into that job is not starting error.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's when you have like extraordinary circumstances where this is not extraordinary circumstances. There's got to be some error here. So like state is not cleared on the server very properly.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna let it flush and try again. Sorry, anyone who is using this. Those who are live stream don't know what I'm talking about because we're kind of changing internal code here. On live stream. Okay, gonna update the live titles just to keep our viewer in the loop, sort of thing. Yeah, we should be back.
Cool.
All right, let me keep working on the gen response 𝗟𝗏𝗲. Okay, one shot example. Current state. Const fake dummy state game state equals to. I'm gonna create like a fictional little bit thing to generate my one shot. Okay. Dummy state.current.summary, summary of past conversation. the world has been in chaos for a long time. Lizard war has been going on for centuries. Thank you. And then recent conversation history. I think we're missing a lot of stuff in the summarizing thing. Recent history, subject lizard 1, reflection, I am the last of my kind. I must fight to survive. Yes. Action type should be message. What are the types? Oh, action type. Action type is a message, and the message is I must fight to survive. Yes. And the subject lizard 2, reflection, I want my kind to die. I must stop lizard 1. There is no point. There is no point for us lizard to exist. I must stop lizard 1. Oh, okay. Okay, message. This is horrible. Stop fighting. It's all a waste of time. Yes. What the heck? Oh, no. My bad. Subject has actions. Okay, has reflection and it has actions. I messed up the action type is this, and then subject, reflection, action type. I must stop 1. Lizard 1. Now the title is Lizard's desperate plea to stop fighting. What the heck? Action, reflection, subject, intent. Stop existing. Oh yeah, lizard 2 should be named now lizard. Okay, can rename it. What the? Okay, almost there. State changes. Oh yeah, we gotta give it state changes now, right? So state change. How do we define state change?
State change. Currently, I think it's very dummy, from idle to occupied or something like that. Yeah, you can either do a state change or you can do a location change.
Subject liter 1. Location. Yeah, there's no state change. Okay. Yeah, this is a fine example. Okay. So So lizard1 does not incur state change, but lizard2 now. How do you spell now list? Nihilist now list. And now list. Yeah. Lizard1, lizard warrior, and then there's lizard nihilist. Nice. Subject lizard loudness, lizard nihilist. Action, it actually changed from location. X00 to target location. Oh, cool. So in this kind of world, there are like a bunch of prompts such as lizard warrior, current position is 00. Okay. Target position is 00. Yeah. I don't think target position is meaningful anymore. Should we just get rid of target position?
Sure. Honestly, when we added those, it was still kind of TBD.
Right. Okay, let me just get rid of target position. So it's not being used anywhere. Target position is kind of oh no, it's not required. It's part of the front end actually. We're gonna fix the front end a bit later. Okay. So what's it complaining now? Position. Property precision is position. Precision is a string. Okay, let me try to redefine it. It should be okay, let me redefine it as either the union of a string or an XY coordinate. We cool with that? Yeah, guess we cool. Okay, now Lizard the nihilist. In order to prevent Lizard the warrior from saving the lizard race, which is the two of them, charges toward Lizard the warrior in order to stop Lizard warrior from fighting for his own species' survival. That's a hell lot of story. Okay. now oh goodness. Charges from so lizard 2, the nihilist, consists of two actions. Oh, cool. Action type move. And then target. Let's move the target to X where lizard 1 is currently located, which is 00. Action type, if action type is a move, then target is okay, if it's a moving, then I guess we can Okay, I'm just going to define a third type called destination, which is an optional and the union of XYZ location or a string. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we have our little story here. Okay. Dummy state dot recent history dot join. Okay, we gotta do a map and then join. Wait, why is my Google updater updating? Dot map history. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and stringify the whole thing. Okay. Recent conversation history down. And then, oh, there's the instruction here. I'm gonna move the instruction to system messages. Where is the system messages? All right, instructions, keep the response, return the JSON objects, the JSON object and nothing else. Okay. Recent history, and then, oh yeah, now it's time for me JSON updated summary. Then I'm gonna give one example. Okay, give me the one example. Wait, oh yeah, I put that in the wrong place. Now, how would the machine respond? Role, assistance, and content. In the long lost world of lizard war, the last of the lizard's warrior. Okay, what was that? What was the backdrop of the story? I am the last of my kind. The world has been in chaos for a long time. Lizard has been going on for centuries. Now, only the two lizards remain. Yes. Now I'm gonna after a long drawn war, against chaos, the world among lizards, the world has only two lizards left. Lizard, the warrior, wants to survive, while the nihilist wants to stop the warrior wants their species to stop existing. The nihilist it moves towards is charging toward lizard warrior towards the lizard warrior. Okay, that's a good summary. Wait, hold on. Where's my previous instruction? I think I accidentally deleted that. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Row is user and row. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Okay, gonna give the first few shot example to reformat it to be a JSON. A nicely formatted JSON. And then we are done. Okay, one done. One more to go. I think I should write a test for this.
Test for the summary worker?
Correct. But it's a lot of work. I think I'm just not going to test it. Oh yeah, I'm just going to add a little props in here, like such as the flames. Name flames. Type object. Position the fire of doom. Position 2. Sure. Summarize the previous. Left in the flame of doom. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave that as a surprise and see how well it's gonna work out. Okay. Can I push? Oh, you already pushed.
Yeah, I pushed mine.
Did you finish?
Only the character worker, although I didn't test it. So hopefully it would just be a backend simple prompt change.
All right. If you finish early, can you kind of fix the workflow test?
Oh, okay. Let me take a look.
All right. The summary worker is pretty straightforward because we already have few shot. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and change that format into, I mean, for the supervisor worker, but supervisor worker is a little bit tricky because it has actually 3 prompts. Jeez. Oh, actually, I take it back. I don't think it has few shot. Fine. We still have one thing that doesn't have few shot yet, but let me just ignore that and
By the way, is all of our prompt generating a string, generating a JSON? I
I
vaguely.
was coding my prompts this way.
Okay, okay.
Why?
No, just so since we're switching to generate responsive llama by messages, I don't think we exposed a parameter that determines output format. So I just vaguely remember for either summary prompt or supervisor prompt, it's generating a text.
Oh, right. Summary. Yeah, I did reformat into JSON, but you're reminding me that I forgot to sort of treat it as such. Yeah, good point. You're a helpful assistant. Write a summary of everything listed below. Listed by the user. Okay. Arbitrarily changing prompt, assuming it's gonna work. Did I unnecessarily? Wait, what the heck? Oh, here. Just gonna shovel all this whole thing into the first user message and hoping for the best. Okay, this one. Okay, one down. Previous scene summary. This is a string. Okay, this is a string. All right, and then instructions. Is this a few shot? Oh, this is not a few shot. Supervisor doesn't have anything few shot. Could be a little problematic, but we gonna fix that later. You're a script writing assistant, blah blah blah. All right, and then shovel everything to user prompt. New topic prompt. Yeah, that works. Okay, one last scene generator. Okay, the last one is kind of serious and it's few shot. Okay. I think we need to update scene generator as well, don't we?
Yeah, most likely.
Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can just sort of update it right now. Are you down on your part?
It's actually a really small fix. So after you changed the position typing to a union type, um, the previous error kind of went away on its own.
Oh, you are a screenwriting assistant. Your job, blah blah blah. Instructions. Respond with only the JSON and nothing else. Okay, message one, and then example one. Scene provided. Role user, content is this. JSON objects. And give it a giant string. Okay, how do we need to change the scene generator? Okay, let me check.
Scene generator, you basically don't have to change much if you just want to keep the essential properties like type, name, description, position.
JSON.string file. It just this part just generates a bunch of prompts, right? Props.
Yes.
Type, name, description, position.
Yep.
Can I change that to
Yeah, you can do the XY schema.
X00? Cat is Y10, Y5.
Have you introduced a boundary to this position?
Nah, we don't have any of that.
Okay. It's okay. We can always clamp it from the front end as well.
I think we'll have a lot of twisting, like adjustment and all that.
True. Feel
Okay,
great.
example 2. Okay, assistant response with this giant JSON string. And then our JSON example is empty. We can just get rid of that. Scene gem prompt. Yeah, we don't need this as well. Okay, almost done. Content is this. Fix the indentation. Jack, Tracy, Indiana, 𝗤𝗏𝗏𝗏, Treasure, X2Y2, and skeleton, a human skeleton, X3Y3. Yeah, I think I'm done. Am I done? So if I think all the errors are gone.
Cool.
Or have there. Yeah, we got rid of all references of general response of llama. So let's just run this. Okay.
Yep.
Let's just run this. Yeah, time check. Like we started late today, so how long have we been live streaming? Right now we're at 1 hour 11 minutes.
Cool. I guess we can try to aim to wrap up by 10:30-ish.
Yeah, sure. I do want to talk about the state transition because I need to talk to 𝗥𝗏𝗃𝗁 tomorrow. But
Yeah.
I think I get a fairly good idea now. Nice. It just works magically, like it should do.
Yeah, all
In the
we did was
meantime,
changing the prompt.
let's examine what's going on. Okay. One.
Oh, by the way, I noticed that capacity number changed. What is it displaying right now?
It's kind of dummy right now.
Okay.
Nope. Okay.
What went wrong though?
Let's see. Some kind of JSON error.
Subject reflection. I think it's when.
It was cut off.
Interesting.
Did we specify the maximum?
Shouldn't the maximum be a really large number? So this is the number of tokens.
I'm not sure.
What would pop up if you type token?
No, much.
Okay.
This is like OpenAI compatible API. So
I thought number prediction.
Would it be possible in some way to get configure on max tokens the UI? It could be called non-predicts. LLama as a major concession non-predicts. I think this is not.
Oh, okay.
Let me give it a try again. It should just generate things forever if it's ever stable.
Cool.
Okay, how come nothing happens?
Is it still running? Ooh, is your should that matter? Is your project ID static?
Yes. Wow, it's that bad, huh?
It shouldn't. Should it matter?
Kinda just yeah, I think I got
I
it fine.
mean, I've run into issue with my test project all the time.
Yeah, this is bad. I need to fix this. I didn't know it's that bad because I don't run into that kind of problem.
So this is the first time you run into this.
No, I ran it a couple of times, but I just didn't know, wasn't aware that it's that frequent.
I see.
Okay, now
Wait,
it's
now
working.
it's doing something.
Yeah, but then my live titles is a broken.
Could it be why it was breaking all the time because we're trying to run something else? So the thing we started later on kicked live title out?
Yeah, anything's possible.
Ooh.
Oh wait, what happened? What's this?
Okay.
Jeremy.
This is very weird.
Okay, but it ran for a while.
I want to say this is a much better improvement compared with all the empty line issue we had before.
Okay, yeah. So, oh, here. This is the start, I think. Oh no. Wait, this is a loop, right? Is it gonna just keep looping? I forgot.
It should be a very long conversation where it starts with scene number one, like line or something.
Okay, scene number one. All right. So from supervisor to turn control, this is our starting point. Guys, did I write this? Guys taking a place to take a selfie. Okay. And then we gotta examine the character or the worker output. So from character, yeah, here it is. Intent. I will try to be helpful and suggest an action. Yeah, we need colors. Message, hey guys, why don't we check out the life form detector again? Maybe you can give us some clues. I think Llama 3 is kind of significantly better. Again, if you don't use Llama 3, you're an idiot.
How can it be both fast and like accurate?
Wait, what do you mean?
Like Mistral, it is really fast, but um, the quality of the content is not that
No.
good.
Mistral itself is not fast, nor is
Oh,
any of these. Like, but if you quantize it and do a bunch of optimization, I think these like 7B, 8B models perform comparably.
oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me check. So this is the Morgan. I should check out the life form detector again. Guys, let's take a closer look at the life form detector and see. Okay, I think again, no action, no action given. Wait, didn't we not have a game engine or whatnot, and it just should
We have the game engine as a standalone function in summary spec.
okay.
One sec. Let me see who imported it.
Do we have the game engine yet? Okay. Let me check the. Is it like independent thing on the specs?
It's not an independent spec. It's part of summary spec.
Okay,
If
can you
you,
check quickly if it's actually there? 'Cause I don't see any state changes in here.
it is there. State
Oh,
changes equals.
to state from state occupy idle. Okay. So then, hey Morgan, let's check out that cave. Might find some clues or treasure there. The intent is I want to contribute to the decision-making process. I think Morgan's trying to decide what to do next. I should probably say something too. The heck? Okay. I should probably follow Jeremy's lead and check out the life form detector again. Oh my god. Examine. Hey guys, let's see what else thing I can tell us. Okay, I think it's moving a little bit forward. Okay, you see the change, like we only have one thing, life form detector on and off.
Mm-hmm.
I give it that. I think it's progressing a little bit more.
Yeah.
So should we as a last thing we just try to give it like kind of more state of things? Okay, let me see. Guys, what do you think? Should we go check out that cave? Target walk to a life form detector. I'm not sure if I should go with Jeremy to the cave or stay here to examine the life form detector with Guy. Wow. Wow. Jeez. Okay. And then let's check the state change. State change. It's not very obvious what state changes are. Should we give it like a separate output state changes? So it's more salient.
Separate output as in a separate LLM agent for
No,
that?
just like separate output so they can examine the results. Whenever
Ah,
there's state change, you just give a separate thing.
sure.
And by the way, I think in this view, if we can kind of have quick filter by spec and all that.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
If you filter by spec, wouldn't that break your lineage, or do you just want some sort of highlighter?
I mean, you just hide what's not there. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we'll
We'll
have
figure
to
out.
think about it.
Yeah, we'll figure out. Like, what makes most sense. I should go check. Hey, guy, look at this. That form detector is detecting something. Maybe we should go take a closer look. Come
Nice.
on. Oh my god. Yes. Where?
Yeah, that's a catalyst for.
Hey guys, what's going on? Should I join Jeremy or stay here or help Morgan? I'm not
Is
sure
this
what to
guy?
do.
Yeah.
Jeremy is going one direction and Morgan is staying close to the life phone detector. I should probably go with whoever seems like they're doing something useful. Oh, you see the reasoning is like drastically improved actually.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not bad. Like there's a little like slightly little bit dynamics in here now. Okay, so summary worker. Let's keep reading a little bit here. Should we Okay, let's read one more character worker. Okay, I will walk to life form detector. Okay, guys, I'm coming over to take closer. I lost track of who is who, but I think it's progressing a little bit. So, in light of that, okay, let's just get a. I think we just need to give these things a little bit more degree of freedom. Okay.
Yep.
So what's a quick change? Object state from state to state, location schema from location to location. We're just gonna occupied idle. Beeping. We're overfitting it over here, but the literal vibrating. Flashing red. Flashing. What else can we do? What can cave do? Make sound.
Cave. What can a cave do?
Make sound, stop sound. Oh, nice. Okay. And then literal tree. What can tree?
What if you just change it to z.string? What will happen?
No, we can't because all of these we're gonna have to. Yeah, you're right. We can do another translation layer to translate this into like grounded UI options.
Yeah, if you just want to see how imaginative it can be, might as well just try z.string for now.
But does it know object to push unknown target? What is this walk to round?
Oh, this is very deterministic. Never mind, never mind. Right now the game engine is very static.
Okay, if actions walk to the round two, do this. Else, if examine operate punch kick, uh, object outputs dot push target becomes occupied on that. Yeah, this is limiting.
Yeah, eventually we'll have to replace game engine with the LM call, either to interpret the state changes or to generate the state changes.
Okay, so right now only action generates state changes.
Uh, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think we'll have time to fix this, but let's do that next time. Okay. I don't think we got to think a little bit better about how to do this.
Yep. Although I do like the improvement in terms of the few shot examples.
Can we can we just change like one thing? I just want to see one thing. Okay. Uh oh my goodness. What is this one thing that we can change that's just open things up right now?
I guess if you're operating it, then it will change from occupied to uh, sure.
Operate from state to state.
Cool.
There's one change. So one small change. Yeah, I think we have a serious problem about.
Yeah, it can be annoying sometimes. So last time it still started eventually, right? You didn't change
So if it
anything?
crashes, that's
Oh,
where a problem occurs. Yeah, I'm
I
gonna take a close.
see.
No, at least right now I can reproduce the problem. For now, I'm just gonna do the random project name thing.
Yeah, just do a date now.
examine walk to. They don't operate on it. What's going on? How about
If they're examining, maybe it can go from silent to beeping.
how about we do this? We give it a little bit kick. Okay. Do a random doesn't matter if it's action type equals operate, then it randomly pick one of these things. Okay. Just add a little bit of like kind of randomness to it. From state idle to state occupied, and then to state
I like the auto suggest.
exploding equals to sample one. How's that?
Sure.
Let me just give it a little bit more. What else can you do? Broken. No. We don't want it to be broken. Flashing. Just a little bit kick of the state change. Check out a cave. I got a reading. What do you think? I already see like stuff. Okay, let's go here and check. Is it broken yet? Okay, it's broken. All right. Is this a start? Oh no. So so the starting point is here. So it goes to character. Hey Morgan, let's slow down. We don't know what's inside that cave. Blah, okay. And then summary generates state change, life form detector, flashing. Guys getting all excited about a cave. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to go in there. Yeah, they have like diversity of thoughts. Damn. Hey Morgan, shouldn't we check out that cave? Blah. And then following this timeline, you got from summary worker, and then what are they gonna say next? Guys, we're getting some weird readings.
Nice.
What do you think is going on? Yes, I knew it. We just need to open up the state. Like, we got to do a hell lot of state construction from here.
Oh, yeah.
Intent. I want to find out what's happening to life form detector and keep my friends safe. Guys, I think we should investigate the weird reading on life form detector. What do you think is going on? And make them less verbose. Guys, I think we should check this out. Life detector is going crazy. Why does it say it's going crazy? Oh, it's flashing to idle. Okay. Morgan is so it from this to more. Okay, guys, let's not panic. We don't know what's going on. Jesus, we need to change this. Look at this life form detector is getting out of hand. I need to get everyone's attention, and then wow, this is like the first meaningful interaction of agent with its own little environment. So life form examine life form detector. No state change. Okay. Hey guys, let's take a closer look. It's freaking me out. Oh, great. And I have managed to draw emotion out of you. Very nice. This is pain. Live from detector exploding.
Nice.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Guys, we have to figure out what's going on. Okay. What's going on with live from detector? It's freaking me out. Why does it keep... Oh, this is kind of weird because it did... I don't think from this branch it kind of received the exploding
Okay.
narrative. So I think we have a little bit like architecture problem here. You see, it branches out here to here, and while as this thread just keep going, so this is kind of wasteful. Like this wasn't connected anywhere. I think we'll have a bug.
Interesting.
I think we have a bug. Okay, keeps going. Okay, everyone, please freak out. Oh no. Oh, actually, I'm wrong. Okay, in here, guys, I think we should try to figure out what's going. Inside, it's malfunctioning. It exploded.
Oh
All right.
man.
Is that a progress? I don't even know. Okay, we're down here. We're done. Okay, conclusion. We got to keep building out a state, right? But any thoughts on how we're going to proceed next?
Definitely the game engine part.
This is the most tricky part. We got to ground this, kind of figure out a mechanism so that LLM is creative but not go crazy and is sort of executable, so that it can translate into meaningful UI displays.
Yeah.
That's
Also, I don't think game engine is connected to current summary yet. So basically, game engine doesn't know how to direct the object states towards the progression of the current scene. Maybe that's something we'll have to do as well next time.
Doesn't know how to direct. Sorry, I didn't get it.
So basically, how the states changes, it should somehow correspond to the current scene. So let's say if the current scene is hoping that they will explore the cave towards the end, then all of the states should be progressing towards that direction.
Thing is, though, we cannot do that mechanistically, because if we are trying to follow a natural language plot, then that part needs to be a little bit more intelligent.
True. That as well.
So, well, if that's the case, then so be it. We sort of modify the game engine a little bit.
Okay.
All right, that's what we're gonna do next time. Game engine deep dive. That's what we're gonna do next time. Okay, make game engine smarter and sort of have more meaningful state transitions. That's what we're gonna do next time. Okay, there you go. There is your little game, life form detector and alien life and such. Thanks for watching. See you on Tuesday.
Yep,
Okay,
Tuesday.
Okay, bye.
Cool. Thanks, everyone.